You're witnessing one of the biggest squid hauls of the year. 13 tons of shimmering squid worth more than $1 million US. But what makes this seemingly ordinary catch so valuable? How do fishermen even know where these creatures will appear? How do they catch them before they vanish into the deep? And who's willing to pay such an incredible price for this seafood? This isn't just fishing. It's a race of speed, precision, and luck, where every second of delay can cost tens of thousands of dollars. Behind every pull of the net lies a perfect blend of technology, experience, and split-second calculation. For the next 15 minutes, join us on an extraordinary journey from the bottom of the ocean to the world's most luxurious dinner tables. To see how a single catch of squid can turn into a fortune overnight. This 13-ton squid catch just made $1 million. And here's how it works. To pull in 13 tons of squid, first you need to know where they are. But unlike fish squid, don't stick to fixed schools. They move with the currents, follow light temperature, and even the phases of the moon. Some species, like the Humboldt squid, migrate thousands of miles each season, gathering in massive swarms, so dense they can literally darken the sea below. To track them down, fishermen must read the ocean the way a hunter reads the forest, using sonar heat maps and, most importantly, a lifetime of intuition. But finding them is just the first step. The real challenge is catching the entire swarm before they dive deep and vanish. Once the captain locks onto the right spot, he gives the order. The massive net plunges to a precise depth, angled down to the meter. Every second counts. Hesitate and the squid will slip away, diving into the darkness below, leaving behind nothing but still water. As the net begins to rise, all eyes are locked on every movement. Even the slightest shift could mean the loss of the entire catch. To keep the squid from cutting off their own tentacles and slipping away, the pull must be smooth, steady, perfectly controlled. But not all squid are caught with industrial nets. Many seasoned fishermen still rely on the traditional handline method, a skill passed down through generations, demanding both patience and precision. Under the glow of specialized squid lights, each fishing line is lowered one by one into the dark water. Then they wait for that quick electric pull, and with one gentle motion, the squid is lifted from the deep. There you go, another perfect catch. Hand-caught squid keep their natural shape, bright color, and firm texture, the gold standard for premium markets in Japan and Europe. Out here, squid fishing isn't just a job. It's a delicate fusion of modern technology and traditional craftsmanship, where every motion, every decision determines the final value of what comes aboard. When the final haul is done, the deck turns white, covered in fresh, glistening squid. Sterilizers hum non-stop. Ice boxes are sealed tight and rushed to the cold storage hold. Total catch 13 tons. Estimated value over $1 million. From now until the ship reaches port, the mission is singular. Keep those 13 tons as fresh as if they were still alive on the ocean floor. Finally, land in sight. The frozen crates never stop moving. Without a minute's pause, they are transferred straight to the processing facility, a place that runs more like a high-tech food laboratory than a factory. Here, every step follows international standards. Squid are sorted by size and quality, then sent through a sealed, precision cleaning process. Depending on market demand, they may be sliced, seasoned, steamed, or crafted into high-value gourmet products. From washing, steaming, and drying to final packaging, every operation is fully automated, minimizing human contact to preserve natural flavor and ensure absolute food safety. Three layers of quality control, from raw materials to semi-finished goods to the final product, help detect and eliminate even the smallest errors. Nothing leaves this line unchecked. Every single package carries its own digital passport, from the exact coordinates of the catch to the time it was frozen, and the full results of every microbiological test. It's science meeting the sea. From ocean to table, each squid's journey is a race against both time and perfection, where mistakes are measured in seconds and quality is something that cannot and will not be compromised. Only the squid that survive every level of inspection, the strongest, cleanest, and finest, earn the right to appear in the world's most demanding markets, Japan, Europe, and the United States. Each gram of squid can trade for what feels like millions in value, because what they're really buying isn't just seafood, but the mastery behind it. 13 tons of squid, worth over $1 million. A journey that begins in freezing waters and ends on lavish dining tables across the world. Each squid isn't just food, it's a story of intelligence, technology, and human endurance forged in the heart of the ocean. If you find the hidden world of fishing as fascinating as we do, make sure to follow us so you won't miss our next adventures. From the open sea, to the deep forest, to the farms rising in the middle of the desert, where every story dives deeper, and every catch reveals another secret of our planet. Globally, squid has become one of the ocean's most valuable resources. According to the Food and Agriculture Organization, the world harvests over 4 million tons of squid each year, worth nearly $9 billion. Most of it comes from the Pacific, where fleets from China, Japan, and Peru chase massive swarms of Humboldt squid that can grow up to 2 meters long. But as ocean temperatures rise, scientists from NOAA warn that squid migrations are shifting hundreds of miles north, disrupting traditional fishing grounds. It's a reminder that even in a billion-dollar industry, the real challenge isn't just catching more, it's learning how to fish responsibly before the balance disappears. So what do you think? Is the global squid trade a story of human ingenuity or proof that we're pushing the ocean too far for profit? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you believe that stories like this deserve to be shared, hit like. Subscribe and join the BlueDiscover community, where every frame is a journey of exploration, and every story carries a lesson about humanity and nature. Thank you for watching, for caring, and for standing with those who protect the ocean's true values. See you in the next BlueDiscover video, where the journey of discovery continues beneath every wave.